Happy Sunday, July 16th. I have just left Fairbanks. I'm on my way to the North Pole. That's right, I'm going to go visit Santa. Just on the outskirts of the North Pole. And check that out. We just had the first turn on the road in probably 15-20 miles. Johnson River. Wow, what a view. Bridge is in nice shape. Robertson's River, I do believe that's it. Well, here we are on the road to Chicken. 66 more miles and I'll be Chicken. Or wait, no, I'll be in Chicken. Oh, yeah, the old GPS is lying to me. I thought it was really, really bad. Saying I had 65 miles to go. Yeah, that's to Chicken. That's not to my ultimate destination of Dawson City. That's more like 165 miles. And the Canadian border, it said it was 109. And one last thing, it sounds like there is gas in Chicken according to the sign. So I filled up in Toke. If it's 65 miles to Chicken, call it 75 just for average, just for argument's sake. And you'll get gas. And then roughly 100 miles after that, I'm assuming there's no gas till Dawson. I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, road damage, next 3 miles. Looks like dirt, pavement, dirt, pavement, dirt. Oh. And dragonfly. Pro tip, when you see these flags, it usually means there's a wicked dip or bump or pothole or something in the road. Pay attention to those. Hey look, we're in Chicken community. I know you can't read it on that bus up there, but it says nearby. I didn't know the band was out here touring. Who knew? Alright, here we are with the famous Chicken. You can see that in the background. We got the signpost up here. So there's proof I made it. Bike and cafes all down there. Let's take a walk over to the dredge. All right, you can get a tour. I'm not paying for a tour. What I'm basically gonna do is just take a quick walk around here. I'll get my ugly mug out of the picture and just give you all a better view of this gold making machine. Actually, there's plenty of YouTube videos and things out there if you really want to see the inside without actually coming here and doing it yourself, but it's impressive. So we just left Chicken, and as soon as we leave Chicken, it turns to gravel. Does it stay gravel the rest of the way? I have no idea. One last quick look. And I didn't go to the gas station and the cafe and all that. I didn't have a need. Sign out here in the middle of nowhere. Huh. Okay. Which way do I go? This way? You want to kind of stay straight or to the right just a little bit. Don't make that left like I did. And with 9 miles to go, it looks like maybe we're back to pavement. But I don't like that rain right there. Not one bit. Check out that rainbow. I hope it shows up on GoPro. Okay, now I'm officially back in Canada. I don't know why the mile markers changed, but I just went through customs and hey, we're back on gravel. Is that good or bad? Eh, neither. Can't record anymore, but I gotta get that. Hopefully it shows up. Good timing. Inside? Okay. Well, that was good timing. Thank you. That's awesome. That's only ever been my second ferry ride on a motorcycle. Should not have left my visor open. Well, here we are in the great big Dawson City.